Ball is now. And now. Sa ilalim, 2 points. Number 4, number 6, Valdez. And now Valdez down. Set the ball for his shooting. And now Valdez to number 3, Valdez. 10 seconds to shoot. To the side. Here's the show. And 2 points. Number 28, Valdez. Number 11, choose the ball. And 2 points.
Nice one! Uy!
Number 21, number 1, Morales, number 11, Pass to number 20, Valdez now. And now qualified Jericho. Offensive rebound by number 11, number 27, Mulaka. Number 3, Valdez. Number 6, Valdez. And the side, rebound by number And in the middle, pass to Jeremy on the side. And 2 points. Number 16, Number 1, Morales, strongly guarded by number 20, Valdez.
Nice one! Mada na eh. Kaya kaya ngito. Makulang.
Number 4, Number 1, Morales is out.
Dagupan.
Number 6, Valdez. Valdez now. Valdez pass to number 8, follow up by and now number 30, this man, number 21, rebound by number 27, Lasso, this man, pinasa kay number 11, number 11, 2 points, Villarreal to Valdez, and Valdez running back, but good. Rebound by number 30, this man, and Morales, drop pass, but good.
Same ball.
16 seconds for the shot clock. 3 minutes and 7 seconds of time remaining on this third quarter.
Last 2.
Number 1, Morales.
Last 2 ako, last 2 minutes.
10 seconds to shoot. Running shot, follow up, number 11. Valdez.
Gila. Kuha na tao.
Valdez now. To Husay. Good.
Pampila pa yung sa dulo.
Rebound by Delato. Number 1, number 11, Macarov now. Nakagaw ang bola. But there is a foul. Another Valdez, number 20. And Valdez now. And drive. Basket number 3. And Villamel on the side. So that's 2 points. The side shooter of Barangay Anuy Villamel. And now Morales. And first throw Morales. No good. Speciality of Morales, number 1. And now number 20, Valdez to number 5, Nitayao on the side, pass to Villamel, and Villamel now, pass back to Nitayao. And third kick-off of Barangay Anuy on this fourth and last quarter. Number 11, Macarov to number 21, Pilat. And now, no good. Number 1, Morales. No good. Follow up by Pilat. No good. Down inside for the rebound. And now, Didi Tumayon, number 3, Valdez. No good. Rebound by Valdez and follow up. And connect 2 points. Number 11. To number 1, Morales. And for 3, Mujib, Kawusay. To number 16, Villamel. And Villamel to number 5, Nitayao. Valdez now drive on Canida. Valdez. And number 6. Number 63 is now replaced by number 29, Villamel. Rebound by Villamel to Morales. And Morales is intercepted by number 8, Husay. And Husay is number 1, Morales. Time remaining 55 seconds. And now, number 16, strongly guarded by Valdez. Number 1, number 13, 0, Zamora Marcel to good. Rebound by Valdez. And now, Didi Tumayon. Number 3, Valdez. 30 seconds. Number 0, Zamora. And now number 21, Pilat. Foul number 29, Villamel. Second.
Video ay butang.
Pilat first throw.
Pape-video noon niya.
And for the second throw.
Yan.
21
Blablagan.
seconds. Last throw of Pilat is also in. Villamel number 20. 2. Number 3, Valdez. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. And now Valdez to another Valdez. Sa ilalim. Back to the ball game on this fourth and last quarter. Number 11. Sets the ball for his teammates to number 1, Morales. Getting the shot and 2 points. Valdez now. And Valdez takes the time. Valdez now giving an space to number 4, Pilat. Getting 2 points on Canida. Number 1, Valdez. Number 1, Morales. Morales now. Back to Morales. Morales with 3 points by Morales. 70-60. Our teacher score is 70-60. And now to number 6, Valdez. Running back and connect 2 points. Number 1, Morales. Morales now. And number 11, back to number 1. Morales to number 11. Macaron drives for 3. Back to good. Rebound by number 8. To number 3, Valdez. And Valdez now takes the time. And sets the ball for his teammates. And Valdez has 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Valdez. Long two of Valdez. Number 1, Morales. Morales now drives the ball. Morales inside pass to Laluan. Again, rebound by number 6, Valdez. And Valdez now. Valdez is drives on the middle. Right shot, but no good. Rebound by Laluan. And Laluan pass break. And tama-tama kay number 11, Macaron. Number 6, Valdez now. And Valdez. Didiretso si Valdez on the side. And now Valdez. Valdez to 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez. Rebound by Morales. Pass to Macaron. Macaron layup. And rebound by Valdez. Valdez now. The black. Pushing foul. Morales, you have 4 personal foul and first team foul. Kahusay, Presto, is it? And for the second throw, is in also substitution. Valdez is now replaced by another Valdez, number 28. And now, Laluan to Macaron. Macaron to Morales. And 3 points by Morales. 7 minutes and 5 seconds time remaining in this short last quarter. Number 6, Valdez. Valdez drives, running set, but rebound by number 1. To number 11, Macaron to number 27, 21.
Pito na lang! Pipinturo! Asul kilo!
9.8 by the Barangay Anuri, number 28, Valdez. And 10 seconds to shoot.
Tora!
Charles to Barangay Anuri. That is according to the referee of Sir Dexter from Santa Barbara. Now number 11, Macaron to number 21, Tingkak. And Tingkak now to Morales. Morales now, Didiretso, nakuha ng Kahusay. And Kahusay.
Ilalim!
Number 4 to Valdez. Valdez now. Didiretso si Valdez. Running shot, but no good. Bola pa rin. Berdekat number 6 Valdez inbound. To Villarreal. And now number 1, Morales, strongly guarded by number 6, Valdez. And Morales pass to number 11, Macaron. Long two. Oh, Macaron. No. Number 6 Valdez is now replaced by Numbria with 16 seconds for the shot clock. number 20, Valdez. Valdez now drive. Pass to number 5, Bundayaw. Tira ng press. Back joint. Sa barangay Butaw ay number 11, Macaral. Drive for three, but number 2. Rebound by number 20, Valdez. To Bundayaw. And now Bundayaw. Drive the ball to Bundayaw. It's found together by Ladua. And now on the side, Villarreal, number 16. Number 1, Morales now. There's foul number 20, Lucky foul. Bulaso, rebound, number 11, Macaral, to number 1, Morales on the side, inside pass to Ladua, and number 10, number 3, Valdez, and Valdez now, they didn't shot the Valdez, but there's last 1 minute and 34 seconds. Number 5 to number 15, Gillian, 10 seconds to shoot. Time remaining 4 minutes and 26 seconds. 14 seconds for the shot clock. Inside pass, nothing beyond. Number 11, Macaral, nagpapalip, diretso si Macaral. Pass to number 16. Lane violation. Number 15, Gillian. Pass to number 3, Valdez. And now number 16, Gillian. Big ball. Last Gillian. Number 10, Kahusay is now replaced by another Kahusay, number 8. Inside the pass to Gillian. And connects 2 points. 84-69. Now Macaral drives for three. By number 11, Macaral. Number 3, Valdez. And Valdez to Gillian. And Gillian back to Valdez. 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez now. 3 points by Valdez. Simbol pa rin tayo. Nabulag Macaral. Pass to Zamora. And Zamora drawing ng kanila. Now Bundayaw to Gillian. Nabitawan na rin ang bola. Magagawa nakuha ng Kahusay. Lane violation with the Sakra. Number 16. 10 seconds to shoot. Gillian now. 5 seconds to shoot. Valdez. 3 points by Valdez. Number 11. Macaral drive. Ball inside. Back and good. Ball out by Morales. Back and good. Gillian to make 2 points. Number 0. And now drive. Number 2 by Last 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Valdez now is rounding guided by Ivan Paredes with Bautista that the kick. Foul number 8. First personal foul.
Tigang galaw na.
Ayan, number 8 pa. Last 2 minutes. And now, number 11, number 1, Morales. Wow, 13 points on Morales. Number 20, Valdez now. Butriao now right. 10 seconds to shoot. And now Macaron. Number 5, Butriao. Now Butriao takes the point. Butriao on the Jordan 1 number 11. Butriao 2. Lumbad si Macaron. Nakuha si Laluan na. Nabitawan, but si by number 20. There's a foul by number 6. Valdez. Laluan. Free throw. On the scoreboard. And now, bola mapuput lang. Susireso back to Valdez.
Kuha tao!
Last 1 minute. Now Valdez. There's a ball
Hotel.
for the 50-foul free throw. First throw. And for the second throw. Now number 11 2 points. Butriao now. 34 seconds. Number 5. And foul number 1, Morales, got his grade 5. And now Butriao. 5 rebounds to Valdez. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Magiri. Rebound by Laluan and Laluan now. Laluan. Got the good. 15 by
Ay,
10 seconds. Macaron got the good. Between Barangay Anuli and Butao. And congratulations Barangay Anuli for your victory. And what about Big hands. Pag-big po kayo after the game.